Hi students, today we are going to solve the exercise 2.2 second question. In this question we solve the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. For the second question, 4s squared minus 4s plus 1. We know the formula, it is similar to a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus 1. I write like this, 2s square minus 2ab, 2 into 2s into base 1 plus 1 square. So it is equal to 2s minus 1 whole square. Okay, 2s minus 1 whole square. So 2s minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So 2s minus 1, here also 2s minus 1 equal to 0. S is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. Here also one more. S is equal 1 by 2. So zeros of the polynomial, zeros of quadratic polynomial, we need two formulas, okay? Polynomials, alpha and so alpha is equal to, here alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1 by 2. Alpha and beta are same, similar, same values. So it is a perfect square polynomial, Okay. Next write 4s squared minus 4s plus ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. Okay. So first one, zeros of the quadratic polynomial, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1. Verification. First one, sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2 plus beta is equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to minus b value is minus 4 divided by a value is 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Here also cancel this, minus into minus plus 1. So first one is verified. Sum of zeros is verified. Second is product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1 by 2, c is equal to 1 divided by a is equal to 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4. So it is also verified.